You wondering what these things are? It's big business in Williamsport, Pennsylvania. I just had the opportunity to work in the gift shop at the Little League World Series. I don't know if you had an opportunity to watch it, but it was fascinating and fun. Williamsport happens to be my hometown. So I was able to meet people from all over the world and collect these things. It was the 75th anniversary for the Little League World Series, which is really kind of cool. So I got the opportunity to be part of that. So put it on your bucket list if you haven't been here. It is, we get to welcome the world here in our little small town. And speaking of the world, if you're thinking about traveling, hit me up and let's chat about what are some places that you'd like to live. You can be anywhere in the world, and I can help you with that. As a global traveler realtor, I've got local knowledge of a lot of places and global reach. So I'd love to help you with that. Let's talk a little bit about what's happening in the market. We're seeing an increase in inventory, and part of the culprit for that is the increase in mortgage rates. They're at a 14-year high. So people have slowed down a little bit on their buying. But that doesn't mean it's going to stop. We always see those trends over time of real estate. If you're a seller, it's important to price your home right according to what the market is, because it is changing rapidly. And we want to keep up with all of what those trends are. If you are a buyer, we want to help you with that as well. And there's some questions in this newsletter that are important for you to ask. We also have a chart that tells you how long your systems are going to last. And did you know that there's a man that was actually swallowed by a whale? You're going to have to read the newsletter to figure out what happened. I'd love to hear from you. Talk to me. Tell me what's going on. If I can help you or anybody that you know just with some questions, or you're looking for your next real estate adventure, I'm here for you. So reach out and I can see you somewhere around the world.